Do you want your woodworking tools to last longer and work more smoothly? Here's a quick tip. You may not realize that paste wax can be one of your best friends in the shop. It helps both protect the surface of your tools and allow material to slide across them more easily. This is especially important if you have a cast iron surface. Just grab a cloth, wipe it over the surface of your table saw. I even apply it to these wooden wings that I built around my job site table saw. Let that sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then just wipe it off with a clean cloth. Doing this is going to give you a few benefits. The first benefit is that wood is going to slide much more easily across the surface. The second benefit is if you're using a cast iron surface, this is going to help protect against rust. And finally, wax won't mess with the finish on your wood. It's cheap, it's easy, and smoother cuts are safer cuts, so give it a try.